Children, in this video, we are going to count the frequency of a substring in a given string. So let us see what is a substring. So suppose we have a string which is computers. Any part of this string will be treated as a substring. It may be a single alphabet. It may be pair of alphabets from this. It may be group of alphabets from this. Suppose here comp is a substring, put is a substring, this t is also will be treated as a substring. So here in the main method you see that we have entered two strings. One is the main string, another is a substring, and here this function we are creating, we have created this function, we have called this function in fact, and this function returns a value. That value will get stored in this variable r, and we are checking if r is 0, substring not found, otherwise the frequency of the substring is r. Now here we are going to make this function count fr. In fact, it is not fr, it is f count f, and here you see that it is str and it is sub. For counting we have taken this variable c, and here the loop while loop has been started just to check how long we have to continue with this. We are extracting the substring from the main string equals with the length of the substring which we have passed, and if any match occurs then we are incrementing this value by one substring. Finally this value is c. Here in this I would like to print the string and the substring both. So string we have printed, and yeah, it is substring. Children, here suppose we have got this string India India, and here I want to find the frequency of in or ind. Here you can see the main string which I have entered is India India, and its length is 11, and here the substring's length is 3. So 11 is more than 3. So the condition is till this main string's length is greater than or equals to. So whenever the length of the substring becomes more than this while loop will get terminated. It simply means whenever the main string's length becomes 2 or less than 3, it will get terminated. But here its length is 11, its length is 3, so it means there is a possibility. Now first three letters from the main string will get extracted and matched with the substring. If there is a match, then C will get incremented by 1. How we have done this? str.substring 0, 3 means first three letters will get extracted, and with the equals function these extracted letters will get matched. So if match occurs, C will get incremented by 1. Now you can see that first time definitely the match will occur. And every time now we are eliminating the beginning letter, starting letter of the. Initially I got eliminated, then N got eliminated, then T got eliminated, then again I got eliminated, then this A got eliminated, then space got eliminated, and again first three will get matched with this. And then N got eliminated, I got eliminated, and this D got eliminated. And as when you eliminate this D from this, what will happen? The length of the main string becomes 2 and the length of the substring becomes 3. Then in that case, the condition becomes false and loop will terminate. Now here, Along with this, I would like to print the value of C so that here India, India, this is a main string and here it is end. Now you see that first time when match occurred here, the frequency became 1, and then here when again here you extract these three, again the match will occur and frequency becomes 2. And finally you will see that when D you have eliminated, then what will happen? This length of the main string becomes less than this and immediately it will get terminated. So now here in this question we have implemented this concept of finding the frequency. Now we are going to see its recursive method. Now see its recursive implementation. So in recursive implementation here I'm going to make another function which is count fr, and here it is str comma str sub. First of all we have to find out what will be the base case. The base case will be only when the length of the substring becomes more than the length of the main string. So here if the length of the substring becomes more than the length of the string, we need to return the value which is 0. And now if it is not, it means there is a possibility. So in that case we need to extract the part of the string which is of length sub from index number 0, and then we need to match with sub, and whenever match occurs it is 1 plus count fr. This is, we are eliminating the very first letter, making recursive call over here. Now else if not the case, then return count fr, and here it is str.substring 1 comma sub. This is the function which is a recursive function. Now let us see how that is working or not. Here you see India, India, and here end. You see that the frequency is 2. If it is India, Indian, and Indians, and here if we are counting the frequency of Indian, you see that the frequency is 2. So Indian, first time Indian appears here, and the next time Indian appears within this. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.